Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the most important adjustment of cash flow statement. How the treatment of asset can be done in case of cash flow statement. Definitely adjustment related to fixed asset given in question. So how we will treat it? We have to prepare fixed asset account. For example, we have a machinery closing balance 4,20,000 and opening balance 4 lakh. Accumulated depreciation or provision for depreciation, both are same things. 1,10,000 and 1 lakh. Now the adjustment is given during the year. There can be two type of treatment regarding to fixed assets or fixed assets account. First, the depreciation balances are given, and second, when the balance of depreciations are not given. So all of us, I am doing the first part when the balances of depreciation are given in question. Adjustment is during the year machinery costing 40,000 with the depreciation 24,000 sold for 20,000. All of us just do this calculation. Cost is 40 and depreciation is 24. So remaining value 40 minus 24, 16,000. But we sold it for 20,000. But we sold this machinery for 20,000. So there is a profit of 4,000. All of us just value cost minus depreciation. That is the exactly cost of that asset. So 40 minus 24, 16,000. But we sold this asset for 20,000. That means profit is 4,000. So how we will prepare machinery account and depreciation account? All of us just put the balance. As I told you, machinery is an asset. So start with debit balance. So opening balance 4 lakh. Yes, don't forget opening balance is given later on. So don't do this mistake. Opening balance 4 lakh and closing balance 420. Similarly, provision for, because provision word is there, that means it's like a liability. So it should be started with credit side. So accumulated depreciation or provision for depreciation. Opening balance 1 lakh and closing balance 1,10,000. Because we start from credit side, so opening balance in credit side and closing balance in debit side. Now we have to post the adjustment. How it will be post? If asset is increasing, then it should be on debit side. If asset is decreasing, then it should be on credit side. If we sold the asset, that means asset is decreasing. So by bank account, sale is of, sold value is 20,000. Sale value given because asset is decreasing. And depreciation also decrease the asset. So by accumulated depreciation account, that is 24,000. Keep it in mind, when balances of depreciation are given in question, then we will write here depreciation related to selling part. Depreciation related to selling part, that is 24,000. And as I told you, there is a profit, so it increased the asset. So it should be on debit side, statement of profit and loss account, because there is a gain of 4,000. If there is a loss, for example, it is sold for 15,000. So by statement of profit and loss account, 1,000 will be transferred as loss in credit side because it decreased the assets. Now you have to calculate the balances. Now make a total of this side less opening balance and gain. So balance we will get 60,000. It comes in debit side. That means there is a purchase. Because asset is increasing. If it comes in credit side, then definitely selling part depreciation is not given in question. Then in that case, that will be treated as current year depreciation, which I will tell you in the second case. Now, how we will prepare accumulated depreciation account? As I told you, opening balance on credit and closing balance on debit. Here we have written by accumulated depreciation. So as ledger posting in accumulated depreciation account, it will become to machinery account with 24,000. This amount will be cancelled. because here it is on credit side and here it is on debit side. So there is no treatment. Now make a total 134. 134 minus 1 lakh, that means 34,000 is the current year depreciation. 34,000 is the current year depreciation. Now make a rule for cash flow statement that items in credit side will be plus because there is a sale. So it should be plus in investing activity because cash is coming. No treatment of opening closing balances in question. So no treatment. Plus as I told you, this side will be cancelled. Debit and credit cancel. So what things remaining left? Statement of profit and loss account gain. Gains we should less, operating less. In operating activities we will less all types of gain. And purchase in investing activity. In investing activity it should be less. Because sale increase the cash, so it should be add in investing activity, and purchase decrease the cash, so it should be less. And last we have current year depreciation, and as we all know, depreciation should be added in operating activity. So this 34,000 will be added in operating activity. So this is the point. I hope it's clear. Thank you.